English vocabulary for money and shopping. Let's go. Price, price. The price of that jacket is too high. The price of that jacket is too high. Discount, discount. They're offering a 20% discount today. They're offering a 20% discount today. Bargain, bargain. This bag was a real bargain. Only $10. This bag was a real bargain. Only $10. Sale, sale. I bought these shoes on the sale last week. I bought these shoes on sale last week. Receipt, receipt. Don't forget to take your receipt after paying. Don't forget to take your receipt after paying. Cashier, cashier. The cashier gave me the wrong change. The cashier gave me the wrong change. Change, change. Here's your change, $2. Here's your change, $2. Wallet, wallet. I can't pay because I left my wallet at home. I can't pay because I left my wallet at home. Credit cards, credit cards. Do you accept credit cards here? Do you accept credit cards here? Debit card, debit card. I paid for the groceries with my debit card. I paid for the groceries with my debit card. Cash, cash. He prefers to pay in cash, not by card. He prefers to pay in cash, not by card. Checkout, checkout. The line at the checkout is really long. The line at the checkout is really long. Carts, trolley, carts, trolley. I filled my carts with snacks and dinners. I filled my carts with snacks and dinners. Brand, brand. Nike is my favorite sports brand. Nike is my favorite sports brand. Refund, refund. I returned the shoes and got the refund. I returned the shoes and got the refund. Exchange, exchange. Can I exchange this shirt for a larger size? Can I exchange this shirt for a larger size? Customer, customer. The customer asked for more information. The customer asked for more information. Shop assistant, shop assistant. The shop assistant was very helpful. The shop assistant was very helpful. Price tag, price tag. Check the price tag before buying. Check the price tag before buying. Budget, budget. We need to stick to our budget this month. We need to stick to our budget this month. Affordable, affordable. That store sells affordable clothes. That store sells affordable clothes. Expensive, expensive. This watch is too expensive for me. This watch is too expensive for me. Cheap, cheap. These sunglasses look cheap but are good quality. These sunglasses look cheap but are good quality. Worth it, worth it. The concert ticket was expensive but worth it. The concert ticket was expensive but worth it. Spend, spend. I spent $15 on books yesterday. I spent $50 on books yesterday. Save, save. I'm trying to save money for a new phone. I'm trying to save money for a new phone. Lend. Can you lend me $10 until tomorrow? Can you lend me $10 until tomorrow? Borrow. She borrowed some money from her friend. She borrowed some money from her friend. Debt. He's working hard to pay off his debt. He's working hard to pay off his debt. Bank account. I opened a new bank account last week. I opened a new bank account last week. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.